Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create journals in Canva to sell on Amazon. So for this, I'm here on canva.com and here in search bar, you can search for floral journals. And as you press enter, then you will find different journals. So you can choose a template that attracts you the most. So for now, I will go with this floral one here. Once you choose the template, then you can click on customize this template. But under this template, you will find more templates like this one. So for now, we will go with this one. Click on customize this template. Let me zoom the page first. Okay, now here you can adjust. Now here you can edit the text. We can change it to daily journal. And then you can change the position of the text like this. Then you can also change this, but let's go with daily planner 2. Now here if you want to change the color of the line here, so for this click on color palette, and from here you can change the color like this. Also you can change the color of the text. Select the text and then go to color font, and here you can change it, and it is changed. And if you want to change the background, you can also change it. Go to elements and search for floral background and go to photos. Okay, so if we want to go with this one here, so you need to right click on it and click on replace background, and now the background is changed. Now let's move to the next page here. Okay, so now we need to add a page here. So for that we need to search for line like this and go to graphics. Okay, so here we will go with this one here. Let me see. Okay, good. Increase the size and place it here. Then duplicate it and increase the line and place it here. Again duplicate it and increase the size. Again you need to duplicate this and adjust the position here. The lines are created. Now go to elements and search for flower and go to graphics. So from there you can add flowers like here. Like this. And now your journal is created. In the same way, you can create multiple pages and then you can download it and sell it on Amazon. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.